Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive at Carrington Sydney. I've got a Porsche 996 convertible. We took the engine out, done some major work, put it back in, and then we replaced the tyres with the actual Michelin tyres. A lot of the road noise went away, but I noticed a bearing noise from the rear. So today I took it off to check it, but unfortunately to take it off and check it, you got to strip it down properly to check the bearing properly. You can't just assume it is that one. And we found this one here was pretty bad, so I'm going to go into the press engine room and show you how bad it is. But all these parts you have to come off to do it properly. Got 930 turbo engine that rebuild. Okay, let's go back into the actual light there. Here it is. I've taken this out already. So your wheels is bolted onto this flange here, this one here. So it's pretty bad, so I'll take it out and I'll show you.